Hello everyone, welcome to this new video where we are going to show that the limit of 1 plus 1 divided by n when n tends to infinity is equal to e. Okay, first of all I would like to thank you for all your comments and suggestions on previous video. Please like the videos and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So let's just show that this limit is equal to e for all n non-zero natural number. Okay, so first of all, you can see that for all n natural number non-zero, 1 plus 1 divided by n exists. So this number exists and is strictly greater than 0. Sorry. And 1 plus 1 divided by n is strictly greater than 0. What does this mean? This means that 1 plus 1 divided by n power n also exists. Okay. Okay, now that we know that this exists, we can just use the property of ln and exponential on it. So we know that you can still write a as exponential ln of a. So what is this one? What is now this one? So this one is just 1 plus 1 divided by n power n, which is exponential ln of 1 plus 1 divided by n power n. Okay, now I know that this n can come here, so this is again exponential n ln of 1 plus 1 divided by n. Okay, I have this one, and I can still rewrite this as exponential ln of 1 plus 1 divided by n, everything divided by 1 divided by n. Okay, because if I want to solve this, if I want to simplify this one, I will still obtain this one here. Okay, now I have here 1 divided by n and 1 divided by n here, and I know that n tends to plus infinity. So I will just call 1 divided by n x, and I know that when n tends to plus infinity, my x will just tend to 0, because this one will give me 1 divided by infinity, which is 0. Okay, so if I come and replace my x's here, what will I have? I will have this one now. I will have 1 plus 1 divided by n power n, which is equal to, if I replace my x's here, this will just give me exponential ln of 1 plus x divided by x. Okay, I have this, and if I come to the limit, so this will mean that I will have the limit when n tends to infinity of 1 plus 1 divided by n power n, which is the limit of this one now when x tends to 0, because of this one I showed you here. Okay, so this is the limit when x tends to 0 of exponential ln of 1 plus x divided by x. Okay, now we know that the limit of the ln, the limit when x tends to 0 of ln of 1 plus x divided by x. We know that this limit is equal to 1. This is using the definition of limit. So this is a classical limit. You can directly check this one from your notes. That is equal to 1. So if I come and apply it here, I will just have that this limit, I will rewrite this one and just replace this limit here by 1. So what is it? This is again the limit when n tends to plus infinity of 1 plus 1 divided by n power n, which is this limit here, which is the limit when x tends to 0 of exponential ln of 1 plus x divided by x. Okay, and I just found that this one is 1 here, so this one will be a power 1, and I can easily see that this means the limit when n tends to plus infinity of 1 plus 1 divided by n power n is a power 1, which is e. So we just prove that this limit, we just show that this for n non-zero natural number, the limit when n tends to plus infinity of 1 plus 1 divided by n power n is equal to e. So thank you for watching the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.